Hello students, welcome to English class. I am your English teacher. Today's topic is grammar and we are going to learn parts of speech. Here are some basic parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So students, today we are going to learn adjective. So, what is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes with it. It is a part of speech. For example, beautiful, smart, talented, tall, small, red, yellow, big, dark, light, fast, charming, lavish, cruel, kind, adorable, etc. So students, let's go through some examples. Here are some examples. They live in a lavish house. Lisa is wearing a red shirt today. This soup is not tasty. She has wear a beautiful dress. He writes meaningless letters. This shop is big. Ben is an adorable baby. Linda's hair is gorgeous. So students, as you can see, here are some bold and underlined words. These are adjectives. So let's see. So students, in first sentence, the adjective lavish gives us more information about the noun house. In next sentence, the adjective red gives us more information about the noun shirt. In next sentence, the adjective tasty gives us more information about the noun soup. In next sentence, the adjective beautiful gives us more information about the noun dress. In next sentence, the adjective meaningless gives us more information about the noun letters. In next sentence, the adjective big gives us more information about the noun shop. In next sentence, the adjective adorable gives us more information about the noun Ben. In last sentence, the adjective gorgeous gives us more information about the noun hair. So students, let's go through some more examples. This car is fast. This is very delicate flower. John is tall. She is an intelligent girl. Jonathan is the handsome man. This is a pretty woman. I lost my most comfortable shoes. This glass is unbreakable. So students, as you can see, here are some bold and underlined words. These are adjectives. So let's see. The word fast gives us more information about the noun car. The adjective delicate gives us more information about the noun flower. The adjective tall gives us more information about the noun John. Intelligent, this adjective gives us more information about the noun girl. Handsome, this Adjectives gives us more information about the noun Jonathan. The adjective pretty gives us more information about the noun woman. The adjective comfortable gives us more information about the noun shoes. And unbreakable, this adjective gives us more information about the noun glass. So students, this is your homework. Identify the adjective and underline it. I have given you 10 sentences. Each sentence contains an adjective. You have to identify it and underline it. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.